Hello guys, this is Siraj Kotwal and today I will show you how to create social sharing bottom in GeneratePress theme without a plugin. This is for GeneratePress premium theme. So first you need to activate the element module, and for that you need to go to Appearance and GeneratePress and click the activate bottom for element module. After that, go to element and choose element type as hook, and furthermore name it as social sharing button. Here we are going to use code. Before that, let us choose the hook setting. It is the place where you want to display your social sharing buttons. If you want to display social sharing button after your content, then you can choose after entry content as a hook and also click execute PHP. Furthermore, go to display rules and choose location as post all post. Now go to my site to copy the social sharing code. The link is on the description below. Copy and paste it here. Here we use get the permalink to fetch the current URL, get the title to get the title, get the thumbnail underscore URL to get the featured image. Furthermore, I am using the SPG line code, so you can customize the bottom according to your choice. Go to iconmonster.com, choose the buttons and click on I agree and click on embed and get the code. Similarly, you can do it for all other social sharing site. You can get the SVG code and use it. Now let's check our bottom in our single post. You will see something like this. Furthermore, now it's time to style the bottom using CSS code. So for that you need to go to Appearance, customize and additional CSS and copy the code from my side. The link is on the description below. After that, let's check our bottom, and here we go. Finally, we are able to create social sharing buttons in GeneratePress without a plugin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. That's for now. Bye.